In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off or disable portrait mode in Snapchat on your iPhone. By doing this, you can get a more natural, clear look for your snaps and avoid unnecessary background blur when you're taking photos or videos using Snapchat. Let's open the Snapchat application on our iPhone device, and then make sure that you open the camera section. We'll see a bunch of camera controls at the right side of our screen, but we won't see a portrait mode option in here. What you'll want to do instead is to swipe from the top right of your iPhone screen and open your control center. And you'll want to locate this Snapchat Controls option, which should be located just under the dynamic island, or if you're using an older iPhone model, it's right under your notch. I'm going to click on this Controls option, and then the settings for the Snapchat camera will expand. You can see that the portrait mode option is selected and enabled, so just tap on this option once, and then portrait mode will be turned off for Snapchat. And you can now send snaps without the blurred background. If you need more similar Snapchat and other tutorial videos like this one, then make sure to subscribe to Tutor and check out the Snapchat playlist in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.